Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, my name is Sudhir Mohan, and today in this video we are going to talk about what are my top 3 digital marketing strategies to attract clients. It can be any business, it can be a fitness business, it can be a real estate business, it can any business. Okay, so my top 3 digital marketing strategies are: first is video marketing, that is you can create videos on YouTube or social media. Second is Facebook ads or Google ads, paid ads. Okay, and third is influencer marketing. So I will tell you about all these 3 and why these are, according to me, these are top 3 digital marketing strategies for attracting clients. So in video marketing, what happens for any business, you need to have clients. Without clients, you cannot run any business. Okay, so when you create videos, right now these days videos are the most consumed format of content on internet. Okay, and it is the number is growing day by day, and videos are very interesting, so that's why people like to see. People don't like to read lots of articles. Okay, right now I don't like to read articles. If I need to get any information about anything, I just go to YouTube and search about that thing, because you can get a live video, you can get a video step by step with tutorial there. So you can also create videos. I also create videos like for my Taekwondo center business online classes. I create videos of my Taekwondo training. I have got many students from video marketing from the YouTube. Okay, like this you can create videos on Instagram also, reels, shorts. You have lots of options, and YouTube and Instagram, they are promoting short type content also. So you can use video marketing for getting clients. Simply you have to create videos on topics on which your clients are searching, or people are asking questions about in that niche or in that topic. So you just create a full list of 20, 30, 40 topics. Okay, and get all the questions. You can get you can get all the questions from the answerthepublic.com. You can get answers from Google search. You can get all type of content ideas from different types of businesses. Just Google it and you will get all the content ideas. Then you just have to start creating videos consistently on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, and you will be able to find clients according to your business type. Okay, so now let's talk about the second is paid ads. Paid ads is why? Because paid ads help you to get interested clients. Okay, using Facebook ads or Google ads. When you run Google ads or Facebook ads, you target right audience. Okay, you can target according to the demographics, interests, their behavior, what they like, what they don't like. So that gives you a very good benefit of interest targeting and intent targeting. On Google, you target on search keywords. Using Google, you can run ads on YouTube also. So that will also help you a lot, and that will give you very interested clients. So conversion rate will be far better from outbound methods. Okay, so second method is Facebook ads. Yes, you need to learn Facebook ads or Google ads to use it properly and profitably. There is a full system that you have to that you can use for running ads. Okay, you can use retargeting ads. Whenever someone comes to your offer page, landing page, then to any thank you page or fills any form there, you can retarget them. You can track your users using Facebook Pixel, that is a tracking code. You can use Google tracking system also for tracking your visitors, and after they come to your landing page, when they know you, they become a little bit known to you or your services or whatever you do. Then you can retarget them that yes, you came to our landing page, or you signed up for this offer but you didn't purchase it, or if you are interested, you can give them many more offers by retargeting. And retargeting ads are a little cheaper, okay, if you compare them with the normal ads. So second method is also very beneficial and very effective, because you get interested targeted clients. Okay, now come to the third topic. Third is influencer marketing. So influencer marketing is simply you tell someone else to promote your services, and you can use their trust, the trust that people have on that influencer. You can use that trust to attract clients for yourself. Okay, so in influencer marketing, you ask an influencer, a small influencer or a big influencer, according to your needs, according to your budget. You tell them that to promote your service, tell about your service to their audience. Let's say you have a real estate, let's say you are a builder, or you have a property that you want to sell, okay, and you need to sell it fast. So what you can do is you can contact an influencer who is working, who is having a good following in real estate industry in your area or whatever area that you are from. You can tell him to promote about your property, and he will tell you about your property in his videos. And because people trust him, that's why they follow him. So his audience that is interested in real estate, they will come to you through him, and you will be able to get lots of clients through influencer marketing also. So guys, this was a small intro about top 3 digital marketing strategies that I use, and I have used some of them, and I like these strategies because these are most effective strategies according to me. So you can also use them. Thank you so much if you have watched till now. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please like my video, subscribe right now, so that it will help me also to reach more people. It will help you also to get notifications of other videos that will be helpful for you. So like it, subscribe it, and meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.